NOAA faces restructuring, impacting numerous departments. Budget constraints necessitate staff reductions, raising concerns about future research capabilities. Scientists and support staff alike will be affected, potentially hindering weather forecasting and climate monitoring efforts nationwide. News surfaces. Uncertainty looms. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration will initiate major workforce reductions. Hundreds of positions will be eliminated across various sectors, sparking controversy within the scientific community and raising alarms about environmental protection protocols. Devastating news hits NOAA. Budget cuts force drastic measures, resulting in significant employee layoffs. The impact threatens crucial research projects, ocean conservation programs, and accurate weather predictions. Public safety and environmental stewardship are at risk. Whispers become reality. NOAA prepares for substantial downsizing, cutting hundreds of jobs nationwide. Critics worry about the agency's ability to effectively address climate change, manage fisheries, and respond to severe weather events with limited resources. The axe falls at NOAA. Due to financial strain, the agency plans extensive job cuts impacting vital scientific teams. This reduction in personnel could weaken NOAA's capacity to monitor coastal ecosystems, assess marine life populations, and issue timely warnings. NOAA announces sweeping personnel changes involving hundreds of layoffs across several departments. This restructuring aims to streamline operations amidst ongoing budget limitations. Experts fear the consequences for data collection, analysis, and dissemination of crucial information. Layoff notices spread through NOAA. Hundreds of employees face job losses as the agency navigates significant financial hurdles. The reductions could negatively impact critical programs focused on hurricane prediction, ocean exploration, and sustainable fisheries management. Morale plummets at NOAA following the announcement of impending layoffs. The agency prepares to reduce its workforce substantially, affecting numerous specialized roles. The long-term implications for scientific advancements and environmental protection remain uncertain. NOAA confirms workforce reductions. Budgetary pressures force the agency to eliminate hundreds of positions across its diverse divisions. Advocates express concern that these cuts will impede efforts to study climate change, protect marine life, and ensure public safety. Uncertainty grips NOAA as news of massive layoffs circulates among its workforce. The agency faces tough decisions, eliminating hundreds of jobs to balance its budget. Concerns rise about the long-term effects on scientific progress and emergency preparedness. Dramatic cuts unfold at NOAA. The agency prepares to downsize its workforce significantly, impacting countless dedicated employees. Critics argue the reductions will compromise NOAA's ability to provide accurate weather forecasts and monitor rapidly changing environmental conditions. NOAA's future hangs in the balance as the agency plans a major reduction in staff numbers. The impending layoffs raise profound questions about its capability to fulfill its vital mission in the coming years. Research initiatives and public services threatened. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration announces controversial job cuts affecting hundreds of employees across various departments. Concerns mount regarding the potential consequences for climate research, coastal management, and marine conservation efforts going forward. NOAA grapples with difficult decisions. Budgetary constraints force the agency to cut its workforce, impacting numerous employees and potentially hindering critical programs. The ripple effect of the cuts could diminish NOAA's crucial role. Scientific community alarmed by NOAA's decision to cut hundreds of jobs amidst ongoing budget challenges. The layoffs could undermine the agency's capacity to monitor ocean health, predict weather patterns, and protect coastal communities from rising sea levels. Impactful changes arrive at NOAA. The agency must implement significant job cuts, forcing dedicated staff to seek new opportunities elsewhere. This downsizing creates challenges for maintaining essential environmental monitoring and conservation programs nationwide. Experts voice alarm as NOAA prepares to cut hundreds of employees. The agency's ability to provide reliable weather forecasts and track climate change may be compromised. Reduced staff impacts crucial scientific research, data analysis, and public safety initiatives. Dark days for NOAA as the agency reveals plans to cut hundreds of positions throughout its various departments. This staff reduction risks slowing down environmental research, damaging critical marine conservation efforts, and reducing the effectiveness of storm forecasting. Job security crumbles at NOAA. The agency's decision to implement widespread layoffs causes deep concern within the scientific community. These cuts could weaken its ability to protect coastal resources, study ocean ecosystems, and disseminate vital climate information. Environmental advocates express concern as NOAA moves forward with plans to eliminate hundreds of employees. The workforce reduction raises questions about the agency's long-term capacity to respond to environmental challenges and protect our precious natural resources. Scientists react with dismay as NOAA announces upcoming layoffs, resulting in a significant workforce reduction. The agency's crucial research projects are at risk, hindering efforts to understand and address critical environmental issues like climate change. Facing budgetary constraints, NOAA initiates a reduction in force, impacting hundreds of employees nationwide. The layoffs raise worries about the agency's capacity to conduct essential research, monitor environmental changes, and ensure public safety effectively. Uncertainty spreads among NOAA employees following the announcement of upcoming job cuts designed to reduce the agency's overall budget. The reductions raise concerns about future oceanographic research, monitoring weather patterns, and climate change predictions. NOAA adjusts, implementing a significant workforce reduction impacting numerous departments and dedicated individuals, resulting from a reduction in the overall operating budget. This downsizing threatens essential research and the ability to protect our environment effectively.